Hello everyone, this is Nikki. Today we are going to discuss how I help my client rank his business website with highly advanced SEO strategy. So first of all, what is SEO? How to uh, how to finalize the SEO strategy. An SEO roadmap is step-by-step guide to put your SEO strategy into action. The SEO strategy is concerned with the what and why, whereas the SEO roadmap is concerned with the how. The two work together to create a highly actionable list of action with high probability of reaching your SEO objective. So these are the SEO techniques that you should be followed to increase your website rank. So first is competitor research. How to do the competitor research. And SEO competitor analysis, also known as SEO competitive analysis. It includes a searching at the contents and other aspects of the contents, such as the links, keywords used by your competitor. Simply put it's an SEO comparison of two competitor websites in the same industry or the same business. So this is about the competitor research. So how to do the competitor research? So these are the some key points. So first of all, you have to identify your true competitors. Who are your true competitors? Then you need to find out so how to do the competitor research, right? With the help of Uber Suggest. This is the one of the tool. With the help of Uber Suggest, this involves doing SEO comparison and research on multiple keywords, and it take a note of that top 10 to 20 websites that are appear consistently for all of them. Means depends on your keyword research. So this is your first step. So how to identify your true competitors. Then conduct a page analysis. How to conduct a page analysis. So what keywords are these pages are used and how it used on the in their contents. Okay. Then focus on the keywords with high ROI. Means you need to find out the low competition keywords and high keywords. Okay, then create and execute a content plan. So how to create and execute a content plan? Use this data to create a SEO competitor analysis report based on your SEO content strategy and start to making contents plan to create a keyword list and contents idea. Then track once all this done, then you have to track your progress. So how to track your progress? Once you have published these contents or re-optimize old one, you need to track your performance. Okay, then how to improve your page loading speed. You can check both your page speed and your website optimization using the tool page speed insight tool. This tool will measure the exact page speed for the both desktop as well as for mobile. Next, produce high quality content. With the increasing demand for contents, one of the most common content marketing and writing hacks is a content reuse, right? The change can be minor and depending on where the content will be used. For the instance, okay. So, what's the best way to reuse the blog post and article? Some of the ways to reuse the content and optimize it for the search engines, like recover a data from major contents campaign. Then focus on customer segmentation while reuse your contents. Then develop a strategy for old contents. Then collect insights and feedback from the current content readers. Next one, how to optimize your image. So if properly optimize your site image, you stand a real chance of being able to rank prominently on your image SEO. So how to optimize your image? Image SEO will help you to deep dive into the SEO techniques that you should be using the optimize your site's image. But in short, you need to be consider, for example, alt tag, then that image file name, then is that the image size is proper or not. Means resizing the image to the needed dimension, right? Then reducing the file size, creating an image sitemap. Then we move towards break up your contents with header tags. Header tag is playing a important role. So, how to use the header tag? Heading is another way to help improve the user experience on your websites. They break up the content and make it easier to read. Okay, so headers make everything look more appealing and which is always beneficial. Then start blogging. So, how to start the blogging for your website? Blogging helps you to boost your SEO quality by positioning your website as a relevant answer to customers' questions. Okay, so blog posts that use a variety of on-page SEO tactics and can give a more opportunity to search engines and make your site more appealing to the blogs. Then optimize your links. Getting external backlinks is difficult. Search engines use this indicator to determine the popularity of a website. Today, most search engines use different metrics to determine the value of external link. Some of these metrics include the popularity of the linking page, then the relevancy of the contents between the source page and target page, then which anchor tag you use for that link, then the numbers of the links on that same page, then the number of group domains that links to your target page. If any broken links, you should be fix it. So these are the way you have to optimize your links. Then optimize your site for mobile device. So so there are in Google there are many tools for to recheck your website is mobile friendly or not. So how to do this? Your website needs to optimize for mobile users. To optimize your site for mobile device, you need to set a structure and page speed are few areas of improvement. Here are some of the ways to make your mobile site friendly for users and search engine. So how to do that? So you need to responsive design for mobile device. Then don't example JavaScript, images and CSS. Okay. Then optimize your title tag as well as the meta description. Then optimize for local searches. It's included local SEO. Then mobile site configuration. Then we move toward the important part like qualitative and quantitative keyword research for your website. So first of all, we go for quantitative research method. How to do the quantitative research? The quantitative research has to do with numerical data and statistics. So below are some qualitative matrices that business commonly measure. So amount of traffic generated per resource means when we do a web search, so it checks the amount of traffic, how much traffic will generate. Okay. Then unique visitors per month. This will also be checked if any new visitor is visiting to our website or not, or the same visitors is visiting to our website. Then time on site, then bounce rate. So uh, how to check the bounce rate means if the number of visitors visit to our websites who navigate off the sites after viewing only the one page. Okay, so this with the help of bounce rate we will check all these things. Then number of subscribers, how many subscribers are to our website. Then number of acquired links. Acquired links means acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your website, to your own website. Then source of acquiring links. Then anchor text analysis. Then number of social shares per visit, then call to action button, then CTA, click percentage. Okay, how many people are converting through the CTA, right? Then conversion percentage, number of leads, then number of sales, revenue generated, then cost per acquisition, then CPA. So therefore, these all to keep number in proper context, we should rely on qualitative research as well. Then we move to qualitative research method. This method are used for answering the question about how to fix a problem. Usability testing or A/B testing, field result, and diary studies are types of qualitative research. Then how to measure this success rate? That is whether or not test participants complete their desired task, how efficiently they are able to complete the task, it's on time or number of steps, then number and types of roadblocks encountered, then the number of error rate. This is how we measure the qualitative research. That this is also important. So how you properly format your page. Take your time when you are coming up with your layout for your website. It needs to be very neat and clear and organized. Then you consider which font size you want. Okay. Then use a text bold font and italic also. These such as bullet points and checklists make it easy for visitors to scan through the contents. Encourage sharing on social media. So every business and website is need to active on social media. For example, uh, social media sites Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. With the help of all these social media, we share our post blogs to high rank our website. Then create clean and focus and optimize your URL. Join question and answer site like Quora, Yahoo. With the help of all these blogging sites, you can question and answer. Okay. Then get up on Google Business. So how to set up on your Google Business. So this is very important for local SEO. This allows you to edit your info for on your business page, verify your contact number. You can also add your images, then monitor your reviews and more. Okay, this is all about how I help my client to rank his business websites with highly advanced SEO strategy.